The city of Palmetto is located on the Gulf Coast of Florida near the shores of Terra Cia Bay. The city's growing population, combined with strict environmental regulations, prompted Palmetto to seek out an experienced contract operator to maintain its wastewater treatment services and preserve its natural resources.
Being this close to the bay, we're under a lot of scrutiny. I will tell you, we were under consent order, and Veolia helped bring us out of that.
In 1991, the city awarded an operations maintenance contract to Veolia, and in the years since, the company has undertaken numerous initiatives to improve operational efficiencies.
So Veolia came in, one of the first things they did was increase the capacity of the facility to 2.4 million gallons. And as an alternative method of disposal as opposed to surface water, it was decided that sending the water back to the residents was a more plausible means of disposal.
We produce 1.5 million gallons of water a day, and the demand in the dry season, it comes out about 5 million gallons a day. And we push all our excess water down in the ground, store it, and then when we have a drought, dry time, or the demand is too heavy, we go pull some of it back and send it out.
Not only do they have an efficient and compliant wastewater treatment plant, but they don't have to provide any of the resources to monitor, to deal with the HR aspect, payroll, etc., by having Veolia as a contract operator on site.
They've created savings in their help in finding better ways to operate the plant than we was operating the plant. Savings in energy costs, being able to leverage chemical costs through Veolia's contacts throughout the nation really helps a lot. Our sludge disposal is more efficient and less expensive.
In emergencies, like when we had a hurricane come through, I knew the plant was in good hands, but I have really a high level of confidence. They've been here 27 years now, and they've not had issues in that 27 years. That's a phenomenal record.
You can't have a strong workforce without healthy operators. So we try to ensure that all of our operators remain healthy. Safety is paramount.
Veolia is really a community partner. They're part of the community. Veolia plays a big part in our employee appreciation party every year. And we're fortunate the operator here is quite a good cook.
The partnership between Palmetto and Veolia continues to evolve and grow, bringing benefits to the city of Palmetto, surrounding communities, and the environment.
With the larger resources they bring to Palmetto and to the wastewater treatment plant, it makes all the difference in the world. We can't possibly have all that, know all that. As we've done projects, it's made it very, very seamless.